This is photosynthesis equation. We start off with 6 CO2, 6 H2O, plus light energy, and then make glucose and oxygen. This is cellular respiration equation, which is just glucose and oxygen, and it makes 6 CO2 and 6 water and ATP. Here we have photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in the chlorophyll of a plant, and these are the thylakoid membranes, and this is where light-dependent reactions take place, where the water is broken up into H and O2, and ATP and NADPH are formed, which then power the Calvin cycle, which is a light-independent reaction. The Calvin cycle then produces sugar, this is the thylakoid membrane where the light-dependent reactions take place. We have photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Photosystem 2 is where the water is broken into oxygen and hydrogen, and then the electrons are then excited through photosystem 1, which then creates NADP and H. And then the H is put through ATP synthase to create ATP. This is cellular respiration, which occurs in the mitochondria. Cellular respiration starts off with glycolysis, which happens in the cytoplasm. It takes glucose and turns it into 2-pyruvate and also creates ATP. The 2-pyruvate goes to the Krebs cycle, which creates ATP. The Krebs cycle brings NADH and FADH, and those are electron carriers, which go to the electron transport chain, which creates ATP. This is the electron transport chain, which happens in the inner mitochondrial membrane. The NADH and FADH are electron carriers, which excite the electrons and allow ATP to be produced. Biology has been a blast. Thank you for teaching us.